How to remove background from marketplace photo. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by heading over to Safari on your device. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, search for Remove Background Image. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on the official site in order to remove image background. Now in this page, what you want to do is, at the very top, you need to click on Upload Image. It will open up a gallery. From a gallery, choose any of the picture or the photo that you want to remove the background of. You can save it from the marketplace. Once you have selected, tap on Done. Now once again tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen. You need to wait for a while for this process to be completed. And there you can see the background has been successfully removed. If you want to save it, tap on Download and then click on Free. Tap on Save Image. There you go. The photo has been successfully saved into your gallery. Now you can easily head over to your Facebook and move into Marketplace. Tap on Sell and then tap on Create Listing. Now tap on Add Photo. From here, select the photo that you have just removed the background of. And that's how you can easily post the pictures with the background removed. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.